Maya Padillo, Mayor.
Okay, Pastor, ikaw naman ang wanted. Huwag mo akong damahin dito. Prosecutor ako, tapos, you know, as a lawyer, I would say that you can go to court and fix your case and post a bail bond. That would be an option. But if you do not think that you will get the fair deal with this administration, because we have been talking about Marcos and everything, huwag kang lumabas dyan sa Tamayong. Nandyan lang yan sa Tamayong. Malaki lang. Alam mo, ganito yan. Let me educate all of you. Ang Tamayong, malaki yan, sa loob maraming bahay. Make sure na sa isang bahay nandyan siya. Because for every bahay, it should be a different search. Hindi mo pwede ma-search ang bahay na yan at maghanap ka kay Pastor Kibuloy. You would have to get another writ. Iba-iba yan. Marami yung bahay na yan. So, mag-ikot siya dyan, maghabulan kayo. By the time na kung sila napagod ka na, you will become a member of the Jesus Christ. The kingdom of Jesus Christ. Alam mo, ang buhay ng tao, tayo naman simple lang eh. Katoliko, trabaho tayo, prayer, that someday, pag namatay tayo, maawaan Diyos, punta tayo ng langit. Di ba? O gusto ninyo sa impyerno? Impyerno ang gusto ninyo? Bahala kayo. Ngayon, kahanap ninyo, hindi ninyo mahanap. It's malaki.
Follow-up, Mayor, may mga speculation kasi that someone is
nasa aking bahay ko.
studying
Look, kain mo ako magkatapos, mag-uwi ako. Sama tayo doon sa bahay ko. And if you can find Kibuloy there, I'm raising the ante. Ano ba magkano bibili ng 100? I'll make it 200,000. Or 300. Or even 500. Ibuhos ko na lang yung pera ko para maligaya kayo kung makita niyo si Kibuloy. Sa bahay ko. Believe.
But why would the US want to kill him?
I don't know.
Thank you, Jamelina. Last two questions na, Mayor, from Sheila Lisondra of the XRP and then Maya Padillo.
When was the last time you talked with the pastor?
Again?
When was the last time you talked with pastor?
Kanina.
Is it possible po na sa inyo siya mag-surrender?
Hindi ko siya tatanggap eh. Hindi ako ang authority. Hindi na ako dadala ng warrant.